Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study in university computer science step by step. First, focus on building a strong foundation by truly understanding core concepts like data structures and algorithms. Don't just memorize, grasp the why behind them. Actively engage in lectures, asking questions when something is unclear. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to coding exercises to solidify your learning and problem-solving skills. Next, embrace collaboration and leverage available resources. Forming study groups can be incredibly beneficial for discussing challenging concepts and explaining them to one another, which deepens your own understanding. Don't hesitate to attend professor office hours. They offer personalized guidance and clarify doubts. Additionally, explore the vast array of online resources, including tutorials, forums, and official documentation, to supplement your learning. Then, dive into hands-on projects and consistent problem-solving. Working on personal coding projects allows you to apply theoretical knowledge in practical scenarios, building a portfolio and enhancing your skills. Regularly tackle diverse programming challenges to sharpen your logical thinking and algorithmic abilities. When errors arise, practice systematic debugging. It's a crucial skill that will save you significant time and frustration in the long run. Finally, staying updated and prioritizing self-care are vital for long-term success. The field of computer science evolves rapidly, so make an effort to keep up with new technologies and industry trends through articles and online communities. Remember to prioritize your well-being. Adequate sleep, regular breaks, and a balanced lifestyle are crucial for sustained focus and preventing burnout. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.